Pump House Theatre is where you'll find Go Calgary this time around. Kelly's the artistic director of a new production called Ignite. Nice. That sounds fiery, exciting, alive. Is that what this is all about?
Yeah, absolutely. It's a festival that features 8 new theater works, new dance works, new music, new visual art, all done by young emerging artists, all under one roof for the whole weekend.
So these artists are from Alberta? Are they from all across Canada?
They are from all across Canada. I would say definitely the majority of the artists are Albertan, but we do have representation from Victoria, Vancouver, Toronto. So yeah, we kind of span the country.
What does that mean to be an aspiring performer or an actress?
Well, basically, you know, it's a tough industry to crack into, and there's a lot of great training programs in Alberta and across the country, and what we like to do at the festival is offer the young emerging artists an opportunity to work in a professional environment and make the step use it as a stepping stone into the professional world. So there are professionals that come and see the shows. There's mentorship from established professionals.
Wow.
And yeah, and you know, we want to ignite the careers of the artists.
Ah, very clever. I see how you work that in. So yeah, you want to help their careers. You want to build them up so that maybe they could be working professionally. Absolutely.
Yeah. I mean, we like to think of it as an investment in the future of the arts in Canada, specifically Calgary and Alberta.
Ignite is here at the Pump House Theatre. Now there's 2 theatres, as we know, so they're going to be back and forth.
Yeah, it's a wild, sprawling festival over the whole weekend. There's shows happening at all times in both theaters. So if you want to see everything, you'll have to commit a couple days, 3 days to come and catch everything.
Have some fun.
Yeah, absolutely.
See some emerging artists.
Absolutely.
Meet the Lumberjack. This is Lumberjack Kelly. I'm kidding. He's actually from Red Deer. We're just joking about Lumberjacks. It's called Ignite, Pump House Theatre. More of Go Calgary coming up from here on Go.